We'd be delighted if Mick gets the role. It's not in our gift. It's out of our control. I was just talking about that, wasn't I? Yeah, there you are. There's an example. Okay, but if Mick gets appointed, and we very much hope he does, but it's the FIU's decision, and we shouldn't try to influence that at all. But he has our blessing, if that's worth anything. Of course, he ran it past me before he applied, and I said that was fine. I'm very surprised if he didn't apply. Of course, why wouldn't he? He's very experienced. He's got a good knowledge of Fijian rugby, etc., etc. He's a strong candidate. I think I can say that without being accused of bias. But these things happen in sport. If Mick gets it, or if he doesn't get it, he's still going to coach us for the season. So, and I have great confidence that whatever the outcome of that, he'll give it 100% of his attention once this is decided one way or t'other. And it's undoubtedly going to be decided before the season starts, so that's great. And if he gets it, we'll go through a process. And if he doesn't get it, we won't. People overcomplicate things. I mean, nobody stays forever. That's not a surprise. People move on. They get offers. That's just the nature of work. It's the nature of sports. It's the nature of life. So, look, we'll deal with it. No organisation should be dependent on a single person. It shouldn't be dependent on the CEO or on the head coach or on the head of commercial or whoever. You don't like to lose good people. Of course you don't. But you don't want to stand in people's way either. So, it's cool.